Welcome to my backyard garden. Today I'm going to show you how I get this kind of seed spacing every time I plant something in my garden. And this is what I use. I built this myself out of a 2x2 and cork. And I have my cork spaced 2 inches, 4 inches, and 3 inches apart. And the way I did this is I drilled a hole down through the cork and used a finishing nail to attach it to the board. And I use this to get perfect spacing on my seeds every time I plant. I'm going to show you how I do that. And this is what I end up with. 4 rows of perfectly spaced beets. I did put a row cover over this for the 2 weeks since I planted them just to keep the soil from drying out. But I get very good germination when I put the row covers over there after I've planted. Hope that was helpful. If you like the video, give it a like. Leave your comments and questions down below. Like and share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you would. Back soon with more stuff. Bye-bye.